Hi! In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 10s, and today I would like to show you how you can change the wood apps on this device. Firstly, you need to access Play Store and just install your new default apps. In my case, it will be Opera mini browser. When it's ready, click on Home button and tap on Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Apps section. Then select Default Apps and click on one of those options. I wish to change my browser, so I have to tap on Browser app, click on Opera Mini to set it up, and tap on the Back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!